Hello students, welcome at Educare. This is Vinod Bihani, and today in this math session we are going to see about indices and logarithms. These two topics are correlated with each other, but in school mathematics up to standard 8 or 9 there is detail about indices, however not about logarithm. Because these are related definitions with each other, first we will see about indices, what is meant by index, base, what are the laws of indices, and then we will see the basic about logarithm and how it is related with indices. See that index is the singular term, that here INDEX, and its plural called indices. The meaning of a raised to b, if you want to know it, a raised to b means it is a into dash 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 b times. That is b times. Means if you take example there, if you have there 6 raised to 5 means it will be 6 into 6 into 6 into like this 5 times. So that is 6 raised to 5. Other example, simple example, 2 cube, that is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Remember, if it is index 3, that called as cube. If it is index 2, like this 8 square, that is called as square. 8 square we know, 8 into 8, that is 64. So what is the index and base here? In a raised to b, a is called base. So here a is base and b is index. For example, if you get the value of 10 cube, 10 cube means 10 raised to 3, that is like this 10 raised to 3, which is 10 into 10 into 10, its value 1000. Here 10 is called base, 3 is called as index, and we get clear means how this base is written, how this index is written, and what that is index also called as. Index also called as exponent, index also called as power. Means here when you write 10 raised to 3, 3 is index, or it is called power, or it is called as exponent, and it is read as 10 cube or 10 raised to 3. This square and cube, they are the special indices. Then onwards it is read as only that number as index. For example, this is in general x raised to y. In particular example, this is 5 raised to 4, this is 100 raised to 5, and so on. Then you know now about base and index. Next is about laws of indices. Laws of indices, they are the relations for the particular addition, subtraction, or even multiplication and division that we consider. How it is? There are such important laws of logarithm. First one is a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to this a raised to m plus n. Means if it is multiplication of two indices terms with the same base, then there is addition of their indices. Similarly, if it is a raised to m upon a raised to n, which is also denoted by like this, and then it is given by a raised to m minus n, like this was a raised to m plus n. There is important next law, a raised to m bracket raised to n is a raised to mn. That is the power of power, multiplication of power. Very important one more rule there. If it is a raised to minus m, then it can be written 1 upon a raised to m. Then after this law of indices, if you want an example there, example 5 square into 5 raised to 3, that will be 5 raised to 2 plus 3, 5. If it is 6 raised to 2 divided by 6 only, then it will be 6 square upon 6. Means it is 6 raised to 2 minus 1, that is 6. And if you take this example, a raised to m bracket raised to n, suppose we want 7 raised to 3, its bracket raised to 5, then it will be 7 raised to 3 into 5, that is 7 raised to 15. This is a raised to minus m. For example, we have 10 raised to minus 3, then it is 1 upon 10 raised to 3, something like this. Then after indices, we now turn to logarithm, that is definition of logarithm. It is, as I have told earlier at start, logarithm related with indices. And how it is related, now that we will see in the definition. Suppose there are three numbers a, x and m with the condition a raised to x equal to m, and if we have this a and m positive with the condition a should not be equal to 1, then the definition of logarithm is like this. From this a raised to x equal to m, we have log of m to the base a is equal to x. Remember, this is what called a raised to x equal to m as index form, and this is what called as logarithmic form. I will give its example. So that is the index form and logarithm form. In index form, in logarithm form. If we take example, as you know, 10 raised to 3 means 10 cube equal to 1000. Therefore, log of 1000 to the base 10 is equal to 3. It is like this. So this is the index form, and this is what logarithm form. So that is the definition of logarithm. Then remember, to the base 10, it is called natural logarithm. It is called common logarithm if it is to the base 10. And such logarithm, we can find their values from log table. Log of any number, suppose in general x, if it is to the base 10, then such log to the base 10 is called as common logarithm. There is another logarithm called natural logarithm. Natural logarithm is like this. It is to the base e. For example, log x to the base e. In mathematics, many times we required this base e. What is e? E is a constant number with approximately such value 2.71828. And log of any number to the base e, if you want to convert into log to the base 10 of the same number, then it should be multiplied by this 2.303. That is the important relation between this natural logarithm and this common logarithm. Then the next is anti-logarithm. What is anti-logarithm? As the name indicates, anti means it is to the opposite sense. As we know, the term like clockwise, anti-clockwise here. See, if it is written log of any number to some base, suppose to the base 10, and equal to its value, suppose this value in general is m. Then if you transfer a log on that side, it become anti-log, something like this. Anti-log of that number now to the base 10. Base is always same there. So that is the anti-logarithm. Anti-logarithm nothing but that gives in the exponent form. If you take example there, log of some different example, log of 5 to the base e, suppose this is equal to some value denoted by b. Then this is its logarithm form. Its index form, which is also correspond to or equivalent to anti-logarithm, and that is written as, therefore from this relation that base e raised to b raised to 5 is equal to b. So these are the convergence or relationship between logarithm and indices. In the next session, we will see about laws of logarithm. Okay, thanks.